Violinists, here is your bow control brain teaser. We're going to play down bow at the point, up bow at the heel. I'm starting on the G string, just 3 centimeters of bow, little down bow. Now go to the heel of the bow, play a little up bow, still on G. And again, don't let it bounce. Up bow at the heel. Now go to the D string, about 3-4 centimeters, down bow at the point. Up bow at the heel. Down bow at the point. Up bow at the heel. A string. There we go. Up bow at the heel. Down bow at the point. E string now. Down bow at the point. Don't let it bounce, remember. Up bow at the heel. Amazing exercise. Really well done.